Did you know you can actually make money from YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram all at once simply by creating UGC ads? Yes, guys, you heard that right. And the best part is, you don't even need to meet any monetization requirements. This is a completely unique and untapped way to earn money on social media using only AI. But success depends on who's willing to try it. I'll also show you some real creators doing this exact thing and making thousands of dollars across all social media platforms. So, let's get started. First, let me show you the niche I'm talking about.
Products, I want to give 10 on 10. Let's go. This L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a holy grail in my skincare and I absolutely love it. Love Beauty and Planet Murumuru Butter and Rose Body Wash. You smell delicious after the bath and even your bathroom will smell heavenly and it's really nourishing.
The creators behind these channels are earning thousands of dollars every single month through two methods: platform monetization and affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make similar videos and start earning too. Before we get into it, our target for today's video is 500 likes. So click that like button and help me hit the goal. To follow along, you'll first need to create an Amazon affiliate account. Now, let's move on to the next important step. I've added a link in the description. Clicking on it will take you to a powerful website called Keevx AI. I'm using this website because it can generate videos very quickly, in just a few simple clicks, so I thought it was worth trying. Click on the sign-in button and create a brand new account. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of inspirational templates to choose from. There are lots of them, and they all look stunning. Can you imagine creating videos like this in just minutes? Under the public avatar section, you'll find many avatars to choose from. And honestly, they all look realistic. There are professional avatars, doctors, fitness avatars, and many more in different ages too. If you want to create a new one, go to the Create Avatar section. Custom avatar creation is currently in testing, so it will be available soon. Now, click on Create Video. You'll see options like AI video ads, video translation, ideas to video, and Pro Studio. Pro Studio lets you create videos from scratch. Ideas to Video allows you to generate a complete video just by providing a simple idea. Video Translation lets you translate a video into any language with lip sync. Now let's check out one exciting feature: AI video ads. Click on it. In the text box, paste your product link. For example, select a product from Amazon, copy its URL, and paste it here. Then choose a language and a duration. If you plan to include multiple products in one video, like the one we saw at the beginning, I suggest selecting 15 seconds. Then, click Next, and Keevx AI will automatically fetch all the product data, including media files. Under Video Settings, choose an avatar that matches your product. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, choose a fitness avatar. In the video description section, turn on the promotion button. This will let you add the original price and discounted price. Below that, you can include promotional info such as free shipping, buy one, get one free, and more, which will encourage people to check out the product. Leave the selling points as they are. These are key points you should include. Below that, you can set your target audience if you want. If you want to add a custom script, click the second option and then click on Custom Script, then enter your text here, or simply use Auto Match. After everything is ready, click Generate. Within a few minutes, the AI will create 8 different videos for you to choose from. Keep in mind, these are drafts, not the final versions.
Unlock wellness with Galaxy Ring. Order your sizing kit now for the perfect fit. Wear the ring, track sleep and activity. Get personalized insights to boost your day. Get your Galaxy Ring today.
Select the one you like best. Below it, click Render if everything looks good, then download it. If you want to make changes, click Edit. From here, I'm first changing the subtitle style. On the left side, you can change avatars, edit the script, update the background, and even add arrows to highlight certain areas and keep viewers engaged. You can also add text if you want. Under the Music tab, I'm changing the background track. Once you're happy with your edits, click Generate, add a title, select the resolution, and click Export. In the My Creation tab, you'll find all your generated videos. From there, you can preview.
Unlock wellness with Galaxy Ring. Order your sizing kit now for the perfect fit. Wear the ring, track sleep and activity. Get personalized insights to boost your day. Get your Galaxy Ring today.
Download them. After generating your video, upload it to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and include your product affiliate link in the bio or description. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. TikTok is the most suitable platform for this, so give it extra focus. To create videos like this, you definitely need a tool to help you, and Keevx is perfect for the job. I've added the link in the description. When you sign up, you'll also get 5 minutes of free generation time. That means if you're creating 15-second videos, you can make up to 20 videos for free right away. It's the perfect way to test the tool and see just how powerful it is before spending anything. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.